Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of glam snowy Christmas trees. So what you'll need is you're going to need two of these styrofoam cones, and you can pick up smaller sizes like this one at Dollar Tree. If you want a different size, you can pick a larger one up at Michael's. And you're going to need some of this clear spray paint, which is just a top coat of clear, and we may use this if you want to spray your trees lightly and sprinkle them with a dusting of glitter. And I've got two different kinds of glitter here. I've got some silver and iridescent. I've got some peel and stick gemstones. I picked these up at Walmart, but you can find them on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I've got some hot glue here as well. I've got two different sizes and two different styles of candlestick holders. You can choose whichever you like, and I may or may not use them, but I have two bags here of these cotton balls that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and that's going to give us the snowy effect. So you'll need probably one and a half to two bags of these. I'm not sure. We'll see as we go along, but these are the items that we'll need to create these Christmas trees. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using this hot glue to add these cotton balls all over this cone here. And there's no right or wrong way to do this. You can do these at the top, start at the top and go all the way down in a linear fashion. You can go around, however you choose to do it. Okay, now that I have these two trees done, aren't they pretty? And you can just keep them like this if you want to, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray them lightly with a little bit of this clear coat. Just mist it lightly on, and then I'm going to be sprinkling them with glitter. Okay, now how pretty and simple are these gorgeous cotton ball Christmas trees. And I've added silver and iridescent glitter to mine. This is a step that you don't have to take. If you wanted to do this as more of a rustic version or just a simple version, you could leave the glitter off of it and leave the pedestals clear. Leave the pedestals without any embellishment on it. But either way, they're really beautiful and simple. and will fit in with pretty much any Christmas decor. So let's just go ahead and play around with them a little bit and decorate with them. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.